The Big 6 Skills Conclusion. Remember, the Big 6 model of research will help you overcome information overload. There are 6 stages and 2 sub-stages for each. Use the Big 6 to help you work smarter, not harder. Remember Stage 1, Task Definition. Define the information problem and identify information needed. Stage 2, Information Seeking Strategies. Determine all possible sources and select the best sources. Stage 3, Location and Access. Locate your sources and find information within those sources. Stage 4, Use of Information. Engage the information and extract relevant information from it. Stage 5, Synthesis. Organize from multiple sources and present that information. Finally, Stage 6, Evaluation. Judge the product and judge the process. The Big 6 Blend Space. During the flipped lesson, you used a blend space, a mashup of various types of digital media, and you took a pre-assessment. Use your note catcher as a place to store written information before you put them in digital format. Each stage and substage is listed and has an adjoining space for your notes. Your note catcher is a great place to stop and jot or just organize your information. The back has some pretty good digital resources you should really check out. Now, go forth and research. Don't just Google.